Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to change oxygen sensor for Vauxhall Zafira B. I've got these tools, and the reason I need to change this sensor is because my car, for a few days now, it's been running very roughly, and MPG is very low. So I've tried to scan it and came out with the fault, that oxygen sensor. So I'm gonna take you step by step how to do that. So this is current MPG. As you see from here, it shows that 21.5 miles per gallon, which is not supposed to be. I could at least get up to 28.2 miles per gallon. So I've already got the tools here. You can see I'm going to take you step by step, as I said, in a few minutes. This is the first things you need to do. It's time to open the bonnet. So this is our engine, and I'm going to show you where the oxygen sensor is. So this is the sensor, and it goes down here. And this is what you want to do, to put this inside here, all the way here, and then you can remove your sensor easily. Right, first things, I'm going to unplug the sensor here. There we go. I think you'll be able to do with this easily. Now, this is the new one, which is a little bit tiny. And we're going to put it inside now. Now I can still use this to tie it. The remaining is just to connect this. I know ours is a little bit short, so we need to be careful here. So now we have connected our sensor already, we have installed. We are going to check if the fault code will disappear. So now we are going to reset the fault code. So I'm going to wipe all this fault now, because I have done everything. Clear fault code and see if any fault code will come back. Now we're going to start our car. The engine light has gone. Car is running okay. Our mile per gallon, I'm expecting it to increase in 2-3 days. So everything is okay from here, and thanks for watching.